Imagine being only minutes to shopping and schools, yet far enough out to enjoy the city lights. I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and I welcome you to your Browne's Mountain Retreat. This is the home you've been waiting for. Almost 4.5 acres of exceptional views. This property features a saltwater heated pool with swim jets, a splash pad, fire pit area, and a perfectly landscaped yard. A custom 24 by 36 plumbed barn that has a tack room, hay area, and 2 horse stalls, and arena footing that is 18 inches deep in the riding area. This stunning daylight rancher is light and bright with picturesque windows throughout. A gorgeously updated farmhouse kitchen with open shelves, quartz countertops, wine fridge with a massive island which opens to your family room and leads you to your wraparound trek deck you can enjoy year-round, making it an entertainer's dream. Revel in your main floor master suite. This home is over 4,400 square feet with 5 large bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, an office, tons of storage, and an ideal family movie room. Does this seem like a home your family would benefit from? I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate. Share this video and call me today. Let's start helping you create memories and start creating the life you want.